Hello students, today's our chapter 2 and chapter name is Era of One Party Dominance. Uh, Era of One Party Dominance on 15 August 1947 India became independent and chose to run a government in a democratic manner. For that, the Election Commission of India was set up in January 1950 and Sukumar Sen became the first Chief Election Commission of India. You know about this, that time election is one of the regular features of democracy. So it is a constant among political parties for getting public votes. Political parties perform a series of functions such as contesting election, putting forward different policies and programs, making laws of the country, forming the running the government. The electoral competition among political parties began immediately after independence. The chapter throws light of the first decade of electoral politics in order of understand. Number one, the establishment of the system of free and fair election, and number two is the dominance of the Congress party in the early years after independence, and number three, the emergence of political parties and their policies. But that time many problem are faces in general election. First of all is the election commission discovered that it was not going to be easy to hold the free and fair election in a country of India due to following reasons. And number two, India is a highly populated country. And number three, most of the people of India are poor, ill and illiterate. And number three, lack of trained officer and polling staff of conduct the election. So the topic are today I will explain them. So first topic is challenge of nation building democracy. So after independence, the condition in India were not very different, but the leaders of the newly independent India decided to take more the difficult path, or any other path would have been surprising for our freedom struggle. So every society needs to decide how it will govern and regulate itself. So, and there are always different policy alternative to choose from, and the Indian leaders become conscious of critical role of politics in a democracy as they wanted to run policies. And then the last year, you would remember that the constitution was adopted on 26 November in 1949 and signed to on 24 January 1950, and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. So that time the constitution had laid down the rules, and this time the election commission of India was set up in January 1950. Sukumar Sen became the first chief election commissioner. The country's first general election were accepted sometime in 1940 itself. And then but the election commission discovered that it was not going to be easy hold a free and fair election, and in a country of India's holding an election required delimitation of drawing the boundaries roles and the electoral constituencies. So it also required preparing the election a lot of time, and list of the citizens eligible to vote. That time the names of nearly 40 lakh women were not records to in the list. So the election commission refused to accept those entries and orders. General election was a mammoth exercise, and it was not just the size of the country and the electoral manner this election unusual. The first general election was also the first taste of democracy in a poor and literal country. So in this time, the constant India experiment with universal adult franchises and appeared very bold and risky. So an Indian editor called it is a biggest gamble in history. So the election had to be postponed twice, and finally that from October 1951 on February 1952. But this election refers to as an 1952 election, since most parties of the country voted in January 1952. That time the Indian experiment had proved the cities wrong, and Times of India held that the polls have confirmed all these skeptics of throughout the introduction of adult franchises to risky and experiment on this country. So observe it, it was no long history to democracy all over the world. It was no long possible to argue that democratic election could not be in condition a poverty to lack of education. It proved it democracy could be participated anywhere in the world. Thank you.